This was an amazing experience. I recommend booking the Upper Canyon if you don't like a lot of walking or climbing. It's so pretty. Our tour guide Mama was very helpful and made sure we had a great time and great photos. Everything was organized. It was a long day but worth it. Highly recommended. Upper Antelope Canyon is extra amazing when you join the tour going in during the prime time where the sun shines into the canyon. Some amazing glance of the mountains and deserts during the car ride. Be sure to stay awake. Perfect trip. Our guide Alla was very friendly and helpful. But considering this trip mixed visitors of Antelope Canyon Upper, Lower and X. So would need to wait for 1 hour to drop up and pick up one by one. Really great experience, totally worth it to wake up so early in the morning to get to the pickup point. Our guide is great, the drive to Horseshoe Bend is very scenic, and it was stunning, at both the bend and the canyon. Only thing is the lunch is just a turkey sandwich, not the best arrangement but totally understandable as the tour has a 10 hours commute time. Be ready to sit in the bus for an extended period. Highly recommended. This is nice tour. Having a rest stop for buying a coffee/snack/toilet break after 2 to 2.5 hours drive. The schedule arrangements all good enough for exploring. Easy to use, easy to redeem. Tour itself was relatively organized and punctual. Given additional time at certain destinations which was nice. Wonderful experience, especially riding in the desert. The local guide in the park is very supportive and enthusiastic. This tour is really great. The bus is punctual, small group, the guides are friendly. All arrangements is good. No bad commands. The whole trip was well planned and properly paced. We were given enough time to check out the spots and also immerse in the environment. The transportation was decent but a little leg room would be much appreciated. Pretty much a good bang for the buck. As for Andy, our guide, he is helpful and accommodating to our questions and requests, although we have difficulty in understanding him, which he makes with his hearty laugh and smile. Overall, a pretty good experience for the family. A very worthwhile place to visit. We went to Lower Antelope Canyon. You must go there in your life. The instructions at the pickup location are very clear, and the tour guide service is also great. However, some of the instructions could be more detailed to better understand the local characteristics. The overall experience is not bad, and it is well worth visiting this place. It is very beautiful. What's even more fortunate is that the people in the group are very cooperative. Experience inside the Antelope and view from the Horseshoe Bend outweighs some hiccups we met on the way. Bus is quite old and really full. Pickup was a few minutes late as well. Google address is MP308, AZ98, Page, Arizona 86040 USA. Bring a mask, sunglasses, and water. There is a parking lot and a restroom. There is a lot of sand on your face. It takes good pictures. There is a Horseshoe Bend nearby and a place to see called Toadstool Hoodoos. It is 4 hours one way from Las Vegas. There are many Pizza Hut and Mr. Pizza restaurants near the canyon. I ate at Mr. Pizza and it was so delicious. One of the best tour in my life. On time pickup and comfortable coach. Lunch tastes good and all the arrangements are good. Although it's a 5 or 6 hour drive, it's really worth it because I have beautiful photos on my mobile phone and it's worth the trip.